Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. I am Nita. So today I will do the presentation about the database management system. So, the first I will talk about the definition of database management system. What is the database management system? A database management system is a software system that allows organizations to create, store, organize, and manage data in a structured and efficient way. In today's digital environment, data is considered a valuable asset because it supports business activity, decision making. Company collect the data from the customer and also employee, supplier, and daily transactions. A database management system also ensures that this data is stored securely, remain accurate, and can be accessed easily when needed. So the next part we're gonna talk about the concepts of the database management system. In this case, the concept of database management system is also the software used to manage the database. It acts as an interface between user and the store data. User interact with the database management system to perform activity such as number one, it's about creating and designing table. Number two, inserting, updating, and deleting records. Number three, searching and retrieving information. Number four is managing users' access permissions. And the last part is performing backup and recovery. And the next part, I will talk about how companies store, organize, and manage data effectively. Discuss most companies use a relational database model where data is stored in relation table. Each table focuses on a specific subject such as a customer, product, or order. And to organize data effectively, companies also use primary key to uniquely identify a record, use foreign key to connect related table, group data into logical categories, and reduce duplication of information. For example, customer information is stored one in the customer table and linked to an order table. This structure is about reduce to redundancies and improves efficiency, and organization may store databases on centralized server or cloud-based system to allow multiple users to access data simultaneously while maintaining control security. So the next part, I will talk about how we do the technique for the managing database. So we will move to the next part. This I will talk about the technique for managing database. Effectively, database management it involves several important techniques such as number one, it talks about data normalizations. Data normalization is organize data into smaller related tables to reduce redundancies and maintain consistency. Number two is data integrity constraint. Data integrity constraint is about the rule ensure that the data entered into the system invalid and accurate. For example, a product price cannot be negative and required field cannot be less empty. And number three, it's about security and access control. Discuss the database management system. It provides authentications like login verifications and authorizations access level to protect sensitive data from unobserved users. And the several parts, it's about the backup and recovers. Regular backups are essential to prevent the data loss due to system failures, cyber a track or human error recover, processors help restore the system quickly. And the last part is about concurrency control. This part about the concurrency control also ensure that when multiple users access the database at the same time, transaction is also remain accurate and do not conflict. So this is the parts of the techniques for management database. So we will move to another part. We talk about the importance of data accuracy, consistency, and security. So we will move over this, the important part of data accuracy, consistency, and security. We have 4 points. For the first point, it's about the data. The data accuracy ensures that information stored in the database reflect correct and reliable values. Inaccurate data can be the result in poor decision and financial losses. And number 2 is the data consistency that ensures that information remains uniform across the system. When the data is updated, change must be reflected in all related records. Number 3 is about the data security protect. The data security protects confidential information such as financial data, employee record, and customer details. Also, the database management system also uses the security tools such as the password encryption and use permission to safeguard data. The last part is maintaining accuracy, consistency, and security. Maintaining accuracy, consistency, and security is essential for organizational trust and operational stability. So, all these parts, it's about the importance of data accuracy and consistency and security. So, the next part, we're gonna talk about how database support business operation and decision making. This is the server database support business operation and decision making. As you guys know, database plays an important role in supporting daily business operation. They also use record and process sales transactions, manage inventory and stock level, maintain employee and payroll records, and handle customer service information. Beyond that, database support business operation also support daily operation. Database support managerial decision making by analyzing stored data. Manager also can be identify market trend, monitor organizational performance, and forecast future demand. Or the last one, also plan budget and business strategy. So this is the part that are conduct about the database support business operational and decision making. So move to another part, talk about the advantages of using our database management system. The advantages of using our database management system, we have several benefits that database management system provides, such as reuse data redundancies, improves data sharing among departments, exchange data security, increases operational efficiency, and the last part is the support better and faster decision making. So this is the advantages of using database management system. So the last part we talk about the conclusion. The conclusions. So a database management system is an essential system that helps organizations source, organize, and manage data efficiently. Also ensures data accuracy, consistency, and security while support daily operation and managerial decision making. As I explained before, and also by using a database management system, company can be improve performance, reduce error, and make better strategy decision. So that's all from me. Thanks for your attention Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.